again. So this is what we've been doing in the last many years, actually almost 10 years. I've been visiting colleges to interact with friends like all of you. Yeah. So here we're just going to have a casual conversation. Do you want to have a good conversation, goody things alone, or the frank conversation? What do you want? Frank ones or goody ones? Frank ones. Perfect. Thank you. Tony understands. Yes, some of you. Okay, good. Some of you showing both. Come on, we cannot have both. Right? If somebody comes and asks you, whom will you marry, this boy, that boy, both of them, you cannot say that. Huh? So you just say one, right? Okay, good. Perfect. Thank you. So now we'll play a game. Huh? The game is so simple. You all know how to clap. Can you clap? Keep your phone down and clap. Huh? Don't drop the phone. Yeah, clap. Can you all clap? Clap. Clap. Perfect. Everybody knows. Done. Okay. Now the game is so simple. It's very simple. The game is when you hear the word start, you will clap. Continue to clap till you hear the word stop. Is that okay? Done. Is that okay? Perfect. Simple. Okay. Simple game. Are you all ready for the game? Thumbs up. Yeah, you're all ready. Thank you. So the game is so simple. When you hear the word start, you will start clapping till you hear the word stop. Done? Are you all ready? Okay. How much percent are you ready? Are you ready? 5%, 10%, 100%, 93%? Sir, pass mark persons. No, not like that, right? 100. Are you all 100% ready? And somebody says 1000% ready. Wow, awesome. Good. Are you all ready? Perfect. Let's start the game. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, stop. Okay. What was the instruction? What was the rule of the game? When you hear the word start, you will start clapping till you hear the word stop. But what did I say? Clap. Yeah. So the rule of the game was when you hear the word start, you will start clapping. But what did I say? Clap. Right? Now, I am sure this is the simplest game that you have played in the last 19, 20 years of your life. Agreed? Hello? Are you listening? Yes? Hello? Yeah. The simplest game that you have played in the life for the last 20, 19 years, right? Now, the simplest of the simplest game, we are able to not get the best. Why? Because we assume that you are ready, but you're not actually ready. Did I ask you this question? Are you ready? Somebody said 100%. Somebody said 1000%. But when you are ready, you should have got it right. Are you with me? Everybody, yes? Yes or no? Right? Now, this is not a story. This is not a story. This is not a story. This is primarily your life reflecting. Your life's reflection, my dear friends. It's your just life's reflection, if I tell you. Right? If you look at your own life, does it happen that you go into an exam hall and then think, Arey, I should have studied? Happens or not? Hello? And then some of you got into engineering and then decided, was I ready for engineering? Hello? Happens? Yeah. Or you go into a project or something, then you think, or you go into a club or something, or a project or something, then you decide, was I ready? Arey, I should have been ready. Happens or not? Does it happen with all of you? Yes. In the exams, amana thumbs up. Lena ipdi. Okay. Does it happen? Okay. You cannot keep your hand under your tummy. I cannot see you. Okay. You should keep it in front of your face. Only your face is visible. Thank you. Right? It happens. Now, this is exactly what happens in the world also. I tell you, it is not new. 90% of the people live like this. I'll tell you, a lot of people get married without knowing whether they're ready for marriage in the society. Do you see that? Right? And they get into a fight, they get into a divorce, so many things happen, right? And a lot of people get a child born, a lot of couples create children and they don't know how to bring the children. They're worried about it. Happens or not? Similarly, the whole problem is not about, I'm not talking about marriage or children. Get the whole essence right. The essence is, are you ready before getting into it? Are you ready before getting into a engineering? Are you ready getting into a college? Are you ready getting out of the college first of all? Are you ready to get into a job? Just getting a laminated certificate from Kerala government or the Kerala university, whatever the university you belong to, is that enough to get a job? Not really. Are you all with me? Hello? Everybody, are you with me? Yes, no? Yeah. So this is something, and this is reflecting in every part of your life, I tell you. Right? Now, you buy a new mobile phone without even knowing whether the old phone was fully used or not. Happens or not? Yes. Look at your house. Let me prove this quickly. Look at your house once. Look at your room. Everybody look at your room. You don't need to show me. Look at the things around in your room. Look at all those things that are there in your room. Look at things that might be in your cupboard. Just remember those things. You don't need to open. You know what is there in your cupboard. Right? All those things that are there in your cupboard, in your bag, in your laptop bag, in your handbag, in the cupboard, in the wardrobe, all that, right? Now, how many of those things are not used in the last 1 year? So many. Yes or no? Hello? It is just in your room. But when you got it, how much of drama we did, you remember? Yes or no? Hello? Yeah. Now, we just buy it, but we don't use it because we were not sure that whether we are ready to use it or not. Happens or not? This is a pattern that we have in our life. Same thing with friends. You have so many friends on Facebook. Do you really friends with them? Are you with me? Right? Either you should have made friends for a professional connect. Maybe they might be useful to get me a job or to get me an internship or to know something. But have you done something about it? Nothing. Am I understandable? Hello? Hello? Yeah. Right. Now, you all get into this mobile addictions, right? We all get into this mobile addiction. Mobile may happens or not? PUBG. PUBG is there in Kerala also, or is it banned? Kerala mein PUBG here, na? PUBG is there? Ah, perfect. Fireflies. Huh? What is the other game? Free Fires. Huh. So all those games that we all play, TK, when you play, are you just getting addicted? Because without knowing, get into it, why you're getting into it, and later becomes an addiction. Does it happen, Tony? Yes or no? Without knowing, you get into a game or something, and then it becomes like an addiction. Agreed? Hello? Yeah. For some of you, it could be Amazon Prime. Some of you, it could be TVs. It could be mobile phone. Some of you, it could be something else. Right? Now, the whole idea is, are you ready? That's the whole idea. Am I ready to get into these things? Or else your life will be, every time you will get into a problem, then see, array, I should have been ready before getting into this. Let me ask you another question, right? When you came into this college, how many of you felt that, array, I should have done my 10th class, 12th class better? If I had done 12th class better, I would have been far better. Yes or no? Agreed? Yeah. Now you came into this college, first year ho gaya, abhi second year mein you are all. How many of you feel that at least now, in first year, if I had have done better, I would have been in a better position today? Agreed? Hello? Now, are we doing anything in the last 6 months, last 1 year, in the second year mein? No, it is continuing. Abhi on the fourth year, what will you do? Think, remember, if this journey continues, will you be able to achieve the goal that you had, your parents had on the day one when you came into this college? Hello? Are you all with me? Day one when you came, you had so much of dreams, right? Yes or no? Hello? Yes means yes. Come on. You only wanted me to talk frank thing. Now you're not even responding, right? I'm like a friend. I'm just not a villain. Okay. I'm like a friend, like a mirror reflecting what is happening in your one thing, because we are all full of, there is a clean frame of mirror. It is full of Corona, Netflix, Prime, all that is there. You're not seeing yourself properly. Are you all with me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, right? So now the whole idea is this, right? When you came into this college on the first day, day one, you had big dreams. You want to get a job, you want to get a degree, you want to make your family proud, you want to make your parents proud, you want to set a career, you still don't want to depend on your parents or elders at home on the finances after 4 years, 5 years. That was your dream. But my question to all of you here is, are we doing every day something to achieve the dream or something completely diverted into it? That's the question that you need to ask, my dear friends. It's too late to ask such questions, but it is not difficult to ask such questions even now. You ask your questions even now. Is that okay? It's not very late because you're still in second year, because one of the colleges I was addressing the final years, they were much worse than you. So don't worry. Not your college, some other college. So don't worry. You are still not, the train has started moving in the, you want to go to Chennai or you want to go to Delhi on a train. So that you're going to the railway station and then the train has just started moving from the platform. You can still board it. Are you all with me? Second year, you can still board it. Are you here? Hello, everybody?
Yes, sir.
That's the whole idea, right? So please ensure that revisit what you came for into this college. Here, or else even now, at least for the next 1.5 years, Corona will be around. Okay. Does not mean that your college will not work. They will start maybe in few months. Yeah, all the colleges will start in few months. That's what the ministers have been talking, right? Few months, they will start. Now, the whole idea is, how are you prepared about it? Now, most of the times, you know what you're worrying about? I'll tell you. You are most worried about India and Pakistan. There is a war, it seems. India and China, there is a war. China and America, there is a war. Yeah, that actor suicided. This actor killed himself. That actor did a 4th marriage. That is what you are more focused on. Are you all with me? Hello? Does it happen? Yes. Corona mein itna loga mar gaya. Corona has happened, increasing 4 lakhs. It crossed 1 crore. It crossed 5 lakhs. All those numbers is what you're looking at. Agreed? Hello? Yes or no? Or you play PUBG or something else. Now you're worried about lot of things which are not even in your control, I tell you. Yes or no? Hello, can you just call Modi ji and say, Modi ji, I voted for you. Yeah, I voted for your party. Please stop the war. Will he listen to you? Hello? Or can you call Donald Trump and then say, Trump ji, we sent you medicines. Can you stop the war? No. Are you all with me? Hello? Correct. Now, is it in your control? Not at all. But we put so much of energy and time in looking into it. In Tamil, we say, Tambadikku prayojana illa. There is, Tambadikku prayojana illa. It is fit for nothing. You're wasting your time and energy. Are you all seeing what my point is? Yes? Hello? Yeah. Now shift that energy and time into your own goals. That's the whole idea. Are you seeing my point? Yes? Yeah. Shift that goal, shift that time and energy onto your goals, then a lot of things can grow in your life, which is in your control. But later, 4 years later, you will think and then see, array, I should have used my time and energy better. Happened now after your 12th grade, you found that, array, if I had used my energy and time in the 12th grade better, I would have been in a better position. Now, same mistake, my spiritual master says, make mistakes, but don't repeat the same mistake again. But what we're doing, first continuous assessment. What do you call continuous assessment or internals? What do you call in your college?
Internals, sir.
Internals. First internals same thing you did. You thought you will score in the next internals. Second internals will be over, then third internals, and then you thought you will do it the final exam. The train has already left Kerala border. Happens. Yeah. Now same thing. Now most of you are worried about which university do you all come under? Which university does RSCT college come under? Which university does your college?
Sir, KTU.
Oh wow, KTU. Get you. Except for Alina, everybody is in Mauna Vratam today. Good idea. Wednesday you do Mauna Vratam, you will get good partner. That is what I read in the horoscope today. Very good. Okay, jokes apart. Unmute yourself and talk, my dear friends. Okay. Thank you, Alicia. KTU. Now you're all worried about, will the KTU Vice Chancellor declare that no exams? Is that in your control? Not at all. They've already declared. No. They've not declared, right? They'll not. Yeah, they're not. Is that in your control? Just start
No,
worrying.
sir.
But can you shift it and say, even if they keep the exam, if I'm prepared, I will be able to score better. Is that in your control? Hello?
Yes, sir.
That's what it is. That's the whole idea. Taking control of you, else your life is not in your control. Take control of your life right now, or else your life will not be in control. That's the whole idea. Got it? Now, moving on. Let me ask you another question, right? What is in front of you? What is in front of you? Alex, what is in front of you? You can unmute yourself. Oh, you are not able to unmute. Oh, sorry. Did I put the setting on? No, you should be able to unmute. So what is in front of you people? Everybody? Sorry. What is in front of you? Somebody says you are in front of me. No, I didn't mean who is in front of me. I asked what is in front of me, front of you. You can unmute and say, not Alicia. Alicia, you go into Mauna Rhythm for the rest of the session now. Okay. Let's see.
Sir, do you want Alex to answer or can anyone answer?
Anybody.
Oh,
Alex
sir,
turned off the video. What you will ask, I will tell. He turned off the video. He doesn't want to talk to me.
sir, my phone, I'm in my study table, so I have a couple of books in front of me.
Okay, no, other side. Yeah. Ananda Krishnan wants to say something. You can unmute yourself.
Mobile phone.
You have a what? Ananda Krishnan, come again. Ananda
Mobile phone.
Mobile phone. Thank you. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So Tony, the question is, what was in front of you? What is in front of you? The question. So you see your phone, you see your laptop, so many things in front of you, right? Now, my question to all of you here is: everybody has a mobile phone or a laptop? Everybody has a mobile phone, pakka? Right?
Yes.
Let's take. So everybody has a mobile phone. For it to be working, it needs battery, it needs so many other things. Now, my question is, when can you make it work better? When can you get the best out of it?
When it has the latest features.
Okay, when it has the latest features. Okay. I thought you're supposed to be in Mauna Rhythm for the rest of the session. Okay, continue. That is okay. Fully charged. Then what else? Oh,
Internet connection.
Just different. Sorry. Okay. When it is actually of use, very good. When Tony says when it is of actual use, okay. When it is needed, like Alicia said, when we have the features, when it is needed, fully charged, then what else? When there is full network, very good. When there is full network, very good. Oh wow, that is an interesting answer. When there is full balance, very good. You can get the best out of the mobile phone when there is full balance, when there is charge, when there are features. But apart from all this, there is full of features. Lot of features are there. Full charge is there. Full signal is there. It is just topped up with lot of balance also. But like what Alka said, if you're not aware how to use that feature, will you be able to get the best of the mobile phone? Will you be able to get the best from your mobile phone? Yes or no? No. Not at all. Exactly. Are you all with me? Hello? Right? Even if you have the best of the costliest phone and all the functionalities loaded, and you have a very important information to share it with every of your friend, and you don't know how to use it, if somebody does not know how to use it, will the phone can be of use to the other person? Not at all. Right? I'm sure you're all from electrical background, right? You're all from electrical. Yeah. You're all from ECE. ECE. Yeah, everybody from ECE. So I'm sure this mobile phone, every mobile phone is very complex and it has a lot of things in it. Agreed? Yes. Yeah. There's a complex device. It has semiconductors, all that, lot of transistors, all that. So many other things are there. Yes. You know, semiconductors has everything, right? So all these features are there, sensors, all that. So many things are there. Now, when this phone was created by the manufacturer, be it Apple, be it Nokia, be it Motorola, be it Samsung, they had put so many features in it. Yes or no, friends? Yes. So many features in it. But do we use all of that? Hello? Do we use all of that? No. Yeah. Okay. We don't use all of that. Forget about if you don't use the phone, all the features, and you get another phone, nothing will change in your life. Your life will be better. Don't worry. But my question to all of you here is, if for a mobile phone to get the best from this mobile phone, we need to know the features in it like that. If you have to get the best from you for your life, you need to know about you. Do you see my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, others, right? For you to get the best from the mobile phone, you need to know the features in the mobile phone so you can get the best from this mobile phone. But same thing, for you to want to be, how many, you all want to be best in your life? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Or a flopper in your life? You want to be a in your life or a flop in your life?
Best
Arya,
in the
Andras,
means.
and Amu, you're keeping like this, so I don't know what that means. So best or worst? Best, everybody best. Now, if you want the best from your life, from you, right? Now, do you know about you better? Ask yourself, do you know about you better?
Yes, sir.
Great, let's do that. Let's do a quick check. Let's all do a quick check. You all have a notebook and pen? Hello, everybody. Anu, Tony, Ben.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Angel, Akila, Anna, Albin, Sabna, Tej, Aarti. Everybody has a pen? Okay, notebook and pen. Arvind, stop chatting otherwise. Take a notebook and pen now. Come on. Take a notebook and pen and write down about you. Okay? Write down about you. These informations about you. Your name. You all know your name, but you can write a nickname. Okay, 1 or 2 nicknames. Write down, huh? You have to write down, don't pass it on. Huh? Very good. Ben, Ashit. Okay, your height, your weight. You don't need to tell your weight and all to me. Huh? Don't worry about it. I'm not going to ask anything about it. Okay. You write about you alone first, then you can look at your other friends. Huh? First, your name. BMI is body mass index. If you know, you can write. Your qualification is students, for second year student. Yeah. Favorite color or food, and 3 positive qualities and 3 not so positive qualities. You will write it. Write about you. Alka done so fast. Wow. Wow, you're super fast, man. You wrote all the positive qualities also, not so positive qualities, everything. Right? You are this class topper or what? No. Okay, you're fast writer. Hmm. Like many of us are fast eaters, you're fast writer. Good. Anu Dilip does not want to. Amala. Good. Arvind done? Wow. You didn't write the negative qualities. You should write that. All three. You have just written one. You should write three. Three negative qualities. Three not so positive qualities. Okay. Achha, if you're raising hand, I can unmute yourself. Somebody raising hands. So, Anu Dilip, you have raised your hand. Is that something you want to share? Anu Dilip, you have raised your hand on the Zoom. Adil B, you have registered, or you raised your hand on the Zoom. Okay, done, everybody. Okay, last 10 seconds to complete. Maybe 10 more seconds. Some of us are fast writers. Take your time. Take your time and complete it. Everybody is at your home, right? You're not outside, no? Everybody is at home. You're in a comfortable place. Everybody is home. Nobody is in college, no? Except for your professors. Yeah. Okay, good. Perfect. Good. So now come back. Everybody, drop your pens and come back. Okay. How many of you it was easy to know about, write all this? How many of you it was easy? Everything was easy. Thumbs up. How many of you it was easy to write? How many of you difficult to write? Or okay, mixed feeling, mixed. Okay, sure. Like this, right? Negative, positive was like this. Okay, perfect. Done. Now, my question to all my friends here is, this is something that's a level 1, right? But what I'm more interested in you to know about you is, how many a times it so happened that your body does not cooperate with you. Like for example, you wanted to go for a jogging, or you wanted to go for some gymming or some physical exercise, okay, or go for a play. Then and you want to get up early in the morning. And then what does the body say? The alarm rings, you snooze it and then feel, let me sleep for a little more. Happens or not? Yes. Hello. Now is your body cooperating or not cooperating? Not cooperating. Yeah. Sometimes in a week or a month, you start getting some headache, some pain or the other, and you're not able to concentrate. Happens or not? For some of you, it could be weekly. It could be some of you, it could be monthly. Some of you, it could be 2-3 months once. Whenever the climate changes, you get into some health related conditions, which is not allowing you to cooperate. Agreed? Happens? Hello? Yeah, happens. Now, the whole idea is this, right? We are all identifying ourselves. Like Alex means this height, this color, texture. This is what this. Archana means this height. She wears spectacles, right? So Arvind means this. This is his. So we all identify everybody with their physical appearance. Agreed? Hello? Agreed? We identify everybody like physics. Saravana means this beard with white hair, little here, there, this one, blah, 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 all that, right? That's what we identify everybody. Yes or no? Right? But the next learning is, we have formed this identities that is not allowing you to go further also. You identify yourself as, I am a girl, I am a boy, I am so-and-so's person, I come from this family background, I don't know English properly, I cannot converse properly, or I am bad in this, I'm good in this. All those concepts that you made about yourself are also restricting your growth. Yes or no? Hello? Are you seeing my point? Yeah, I am a girl, all these identities that you have, yeah, is restricting you from doing things in your life, achieving things in your life many a times. Yeah. Now the whole idea is this, right? You need to know about you first. Because when I studied in PSG Tech, Coimbatore, you know PSG Tech, how many of you know PSG Tech, Coimbatore? PSG Tech, Tony knows, only Tony knows. None of the other people know it. Huh? Okay, good. Aravind also knows. Aravind Anjana also knows. Okay, done. PSG Tech, Coimbatore, when I used to study there, my professor used to say that you are all going to become good engineers, you're going to earn money, you'll settle in life, no doubts, because everybody is wanting to become that. But you have to know yourself better. You have to know about your body. You have to know about yourself better. If not, you will earn so much money, you will do so many things, and then put half of your earned money into hospitals. Are you seeing my point? Yeah, my professor used to funnily say, your life should not be like this. We have PhD Tech and PhD Medical College, both. Our professors used to say, don't become like you become a successful engineer, earned so much, and put half of the money into PhD Medical Hospital to save your health. Got it? So your life should not be like that. Now, my dear friends, now you may not feel, maybe some of you have already started feeling that your neck is paining sometimes, your knees are paining, your back is paining, your shoulders are frozen. Happens or not sometimes? Yes. Hello? Yeah. Now forget about now. If you continue to do what you're doing, eating the junk food, eating habit, your lifestyle, all that, you continue to do what you're doing, yeah, after 10 years, your body will start cooperating very well or cooperating very less. Cooperating very less. Do you see my point? Look at your parents, look at your elders at home. They all get into a state their body does not cooperate. Yes or no? Hello? Yes or no? They get into a state where the body is not cooperating. Now, when you see them, their body is not cooperating, your mom or dad or your grandmother is having a knee pain, do you feel good or bad? Of course you feel bad. Agreed? Yes or no? Yeah. Now my question to all of you here is, if your mother, father, grandparents have taken care of their body properly, healthily, and if they don't have these problems, will you be more happy? Yes or no? Now, that's exactly the same mistake that you're doing now, so that your children will become unhappy. Are you seeing my point? Hello? This is the foresight you need to look at. Are you seeing my point? Hello? Hello? Everybody, yes? Yeah? Imagine your parents had taken care of their health. I know in one of the colleges, in fact, not your college, I think one of the colleges in Kerala, or I have a friend of mine whose relative studies there. He spends most of his time to take care of his parents' health only, driving them to the hospital, do that checkup, do this checkup, all that. Are you with me? Right? So the whole idea is take care of your health. That is important for your health. Okay, let me ask this question. How many of this, when my professor said in the second year of my college, I said, ma'am, I'm already healthy. What should I do? Nothing I need to do. I never followed her advice. Till 8 years later, I realized that my body is not cooperating everything that I wanted to do. Then I started all this yoga, pranayamas, and then a lot of physical activities, gymming, and then going to walking regularly. All that happened. How many of you go and play in the field? How many of you go out and play? Not in lockdown, but generally. Hello. Some of you are keeping your hand like this, are biting your nails. Are you raising your hand or keeping it for something else? Come on. So that let's be very clear about what it is. No. Okay, done. How many of you go out and play? Okay, Arvind, Akshay, Paul, that's it. Okay, Paul David also plays. Okay, done. Good. Now, the whole idea is this, right? Now, others start doing something about your physical activity. It's very, very important, or else your body will start not cooperating you for the later point of time. Are you all with me? Hello, everybody? Yes. Yeah. Now, but given this, now the current situation is got a lot of corona. I think Kerala is doing an amazing job. I was talking to a few of the bureaucrats in Kerala yesterday. They're doing an amazing job. Do you know that your government is doing an amazing job? You know this or no? I mean, I'm not for any politicians, but your government is doing it amazing. They do this, How many of you know this? The government is doing an amazing job when compared to the neighboring states. Yeah, very nice, good. So now the whole idea is for the next, see, in my understanding, speaking to a lot of decision makers of few countries and few of the corporates, I know that I personally can vouch, can tell you that on my personal capacity, I can tell you that Corona is going to be around for the next 1.5 years. We have to live with this guy. Are you all with me? Hello? Are you all with me? Now it happens, no? In one semester you go and then you look at a subject, this subject is so tough. You have no choice, but you have to live with that subject for next 6 months. Are you all with me? Hello? Got it? Now the choice is yours to flunk, to become a failure in the subject, or prepare yourself to pass that subject. Are you all with me? Hello? Yes? Both is in your control. Agreed? Similarly, Corona is there for next 1.5 years. Whether you're able to handle it or not is in your control. So what are the things to do? Just do whatever your government says. That's it. Simple. Right? Number one. Number two, Corona will come to me. If it comes to my family members, it's my friends, relatives, my college, what will happen? All that. Is it in your control now? Hello? Is it in your control? Not at all. Don't spend money, time, energy on worrying about things which are not in your control. Got it? Yes? Yeah. If you think you have time to worry about things which are not in your control, please call me. Take my number from Jayanti ma'am. Call me. I'll give you better work. Got it? If you have time to worry about India-China war, I have better things to you as students. Got it? Yeah. Now, keeping that apart, I will show you a video which I do it on my wellness programs. I also facilitate wellness programs. I'm a wellness coach for few people, like preferably elderly people, about 35 and above. I do these wellness programs. For youngsters like all of you, we do something else, something called a youth empowerment program, which we'll talk about it a little later. But I borrowed a slide or borrowed a video from the wellness program. Can I show that with you, all of you? Is that okay? It is about how to improve. It's about immunity. Yeah. See, Corona coming to you is not in your control. But if coronavirus gets into the body, is our immunity strong to kill it? That is in your control. Are you all with me? Hello? Yes or no? That is in your control. You know. So regarding that, we will watch a video. See, I know you're all at your house. If you feel somebody is disturbing, you have some small kids around, all that is absolutely fine. You want to eat, go to your kitchen, grab something, absolutely fine. Nobody is going to question you. Is that okay? Feel free to do whatever you want to do in your house, but don't put the earphone, mute me and watch TV. No, that is not allowed. Is that okay? Got it? Yeah. Do whatever you want in the house. Eat. If you're feeling tired, you can lie down also. That is still okay. But the whole idea is fully focused here. Is that okay? Done? Yeah. I'll show you a video. Achha, are you all following the session or is it boring? You can be frank. I am being frank on you. You can be frank on me also. So no worries. Here comes a very interesting video. Okay. So Tony, am I audible? You have mentioned that there's an audio problem. Am I audible? Okay. Can I hear you after your breakfast or brunch, whatever you call it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're able to hear me. Cool. Thank you. Good. So is the session okay? Okay means ipidi coming like this you show. Boring means, sorry. Okay means this way. Boring. What, Saravana? You're putting rambam in my head, like, putting saw in my head like this. Show something so that we know what to do in the next 10 minutes. Yes, no, bad. Is it useful? Ammu, Galaxy's S9 boy with the spectacles and a purple color shirt and the green color paint at the back. We'll call you this way because we don't know what's your name. Okay, good. Anna, is it good? Perfect. Arvindji? Okay, good. Now, so I'll show you the video. It's in English. It's very simple English. Some of you, it will be very simple, but watch it. there is something very, very interesting that you can tell your parents after this session. Is that okay? It can help your and your parents and your family members ka immunity. Is that okay? Done? Okay. Let's watch this interesting video. Galaxy Boy is Alphin. Thank you.
So that we continue to enjoy.
The video again.
Welcome to a short presentation on the human immune system.
This video is borrowed from the art of
military system.
Okay, and it is done for elders to improve their immunity, improve their wellness, basically the health part of it. Okay, this is one small video. I will talk about it. You watch it fully. Ben, don't go away. Come on, come back here. Yeah. If you want to use the washroom, you can switch off the video, go and come, but don't run away. Come on. Yeah. So let's continue. Okay, let's watch the video. Important video. It can help you and your family. Watch it.
Very welcome to a short presentation on the human immune system, the human body's own military system. Very similar to a military system, the human immune system also is made up of soldiers, arms, and armaments, and a highly sensitive intelligence system to defend it both from foreign and domestic enemies. It has the capability to respond on the fly. The human immune system, very much like a regular military system, consists of military bases, we mean organs such as tonsils, spleen, bone marrow, lymph nodes, etc., soldiers, WBCs, lymphocytes, and a wide array of weapons, antibodies, also called the immunoglobulins, interferon, and interleukins. Let's look at some interesting facts about the immune system. A drop of blood can have as many as 25,000 WBCs. Immune cells have a memory, so they can recognize and attack an invader the next time it enters the body. There are lots of good bacteria on our skin and in our gut that are a vital part of our defense system. It's the good bacteria that keep in check the possibly harmful bacteria so that we continue to enjoy good health. While on immunity, we need to understand a phenomena called as autophagy. Auto means own, phagy means eating. It literally means self-eating. Body removes dysfunctional cells, misfolded proteins, cancer cells, etc. through this phenomena called as autophagy. It is body's way of recycling tissues to repair and cleanse the tissues. Useful anti-aging mechanism. Fasting is one way to enhance autophagy. While looking at immunity, we also need to understand a little about allergies and autoimmune diseases. The immune system is a multifactorial, extremely fine-tuned, and an extremely efficient system. But sometimes an imbalance can cause it to fight against some harmless substances such as dust and so on, and causing an allergy, or against some cells of the body itself when it is called an autoimmune disease. We now need to understand how we can build our immunity. Immunity is not the result of any one or just a couple of factors. We can't have quick fix kind of solutions. Just popping some pills, doing some stretches, though may help. Immunity is actually the result of a conscious approach that takes into account a number of factors. Now we need to look at factors that lead to a healthy immunity. Number one on the list is lifestyle. A little more specifically, we mean a healthy diet. A vegetarian diet is ideal to keep your immunity in prime state. Also avoiding white sugar and highly processed foods containing maida, because such foods directly interfere with the functioning of the WBCs, thereby compromising our immunity considerably. Number Two, on the lifestyle, under the lifestyle is physical activity. We need to keep ourselves physically active. Further down in the presentation, we will see how physical activity is critical to maintain immunity. A healthy body weight, needless to say, so that our resources are properly used, and being addiction free, whether it's alcohol, drug, or tobacco. These addictions directly impinge on your immunity, and you have to get out of the addictions. We look at some more factors. Number 2 comes dinacharya, or our daily routine. What time we go to sleep, when we get up, what we have our food. These are very important aspects of dinacharya. In the later parts of this program, the wellness program, we'll understand, we'll have a good, we'll get a good fix on what dinacharya is. Ability to handle stress, number 3, and number 4, adequate sleep. These are 4 very, very important factors that improve which help you maintain a healthy immunity. There are some more important factors. Attitude matters. Adequate hydration and micronutrients. These are also additional factors that we need to keep in mind when we have to enjoy a good immunity. While talking about immunity, we also need to look at a very important system of the body called the lymphatic system. It is actually a very critical connection, the lymphatic system. Let's learn about lymphatic system. Is an interface between blood vessels, tissues, and cells. You see this picture, the red colored vessels or the artery which carry oxygenated blood to the tissues, and the blue colored vessels or the veins which carry the low oxygen tension blood away from the tissues. And in between you have the green structures which are actually the lymph capillaries. Lymphatic system is a part of both the circulatory and the immune systems. It has 3 important functions. It is an accessory return route to return fluid to the blood, sort of a buffer system to collect fluids from the interstitial spaces, that means the spaces in between the cells. It is an important part of defense system in the immune system through the lymphocytes, and it is a route to clear waste products and cellular debris along with dead bacteria. Something interesting, the lymphatic system does not have a specific organ to propel the lymph forward, unlike the circulatory system which has the heart. So the question is, how does it move forward? How does the lymph move itself? Movement of skeletal muscles in physical activity such as walking, exercise, yogasana, move the lymph. A sedentary lifestyle results in poor lymphatic circulation, so the solution is to walk, walk, and walk. A sedentary lifestyle significantly increases the risk of cancer, diabetes, hypertension, coronary disorders, cerebrovascular diseases, overweight, and obesity. So the solution is to walk, walk, and walk. Well, poor lymphatic circulation also increases the risk of other serious and debilitating diseases and disorders. So the solution again is to walk, walk, and walk. To ensure proper lymphatic circulation, tight-fitting clothing should be avoided. Loose-fitting clothes are ideal. In this short presentation, we have had an overview of what immunity is and how we can help it stay in top condition. Thank you. Welcome to a short presentation on the human immune system, the human body's own military system.
Are you all back? Everybody? Yes, good. Okay. Some of you took a break. Like in a movie, when the song is there, you just go out and do a break like that. That's still okay. Right now, coming back. Now, do you see that, like, like how India army and the defense people are across the borders saving the country like that? Your body is saved by the lot of foreign viruses and not so good bacteria by this this immune system, which is nothing but the white blood cells, right? What do you call them in Tamil? We say vellai anukal, right? White cells, yeah, white blood cells, yeah. Same thing. There is something called lymphatic system also. The whole idea is the immune system, yeah. See, I'm sure some of you have already known how is your immune system. Some of you would just get cold like that in the cold. When it starts raining in Kerala, you start getting cold. Happens, yes, yeah. Or in the chiller climates of the months, like December, January, you start getting nose migraine or like sinus problems. All that happens, yeah. Now that is already happening by default, which means your body is not able to handle those conditions effectively. Okay, that is still okay. It's curable. All what you experience is curable. Based on my understanding the last 7 years on the wellness, everything is curable. Got it? It's just that you need to change little changes in the lifestyle. Yeah, migraine, asthma, sinusitis, all that is curable. Don't think now this is a label that you have made yourself. You remember few minutes back I told the concept that you made yourself. I have sinusitis. I have migraine. I have asthma. I have this thing. I have lens. All that is a concept that you have had. If you have concepts, you will not be able to grow. I tell you, all this is doable. You just spend 5-6 days with the teams that I have. You'll be able to get rid of this. Are you all with me? Hello? Yeah. So that's the thing, right? Now, we all don't know because we are putting our time and energy in worrying about India-China war. Are you seeing my point? Hello? Yeah. Because we don't know, because we are not putting effort in knowing it, but we are putting effort in playing PUBG. I'm not saying playing PUBG is wrong. Play. I also play. But I play for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes so that I get some energy from that. Not my energy and time goes into it. Are you seeing my point? Hello? I watch TV. I also watch TV Prime, Amazon Prime. I used to work at Amazon, so I still have a lot of free accounts with them. Right? I still watch Prime. But for what? To derive energy and motivation from there. But what others do? Put the time and energy watching that song, watching how Mohanlal fights, how Mammootty fights, how Adi fights, all that. You see all that and you waste your energy. Yes or no? Keep saying that your energy and time is wasted. Henna. So now I tell you, all this is doable. No? Your asthma, all that can clear off. Now coming back to the immunity. Okay, coming this talk about the immunity short. 3 tips I'll give you. Are you all okay to hear 3 tips? Hello, everybody. Simple 3 tips. Yes, doable. Hello, everybody. Ama ille. Edo onnu parayu. Is that right? That much breaking Malayalam I can speak. Huh? Okay.
Yes.
Ammu, your head is paining? No, na? Okay. Andrew, your head will fall off? No. Okay. Now, first thing that you need to be aware to improve your immunity, to save you from corona is, please be aware where your hand is. Some of your hands are in the mouth, some of your hands are in the nose, some of your hands. Never ever do this for the next 6 months. Are you all with me? Hello? Hello? You see my point? You may, no, this is something that consciously I've been telling. In China, I told, and then came back here. I keep telling this. You be aware of where you're touching for the next 1.5 years. Are you all with me? Hello? Right? Number 1. That is one thing that you need to, right? Where you're touching. Yeah. Number 2, 3 foods you have to avoid. 3 things you have to avoid. Is that okay? 3 things you have to avoid. Number 1 is white sugar. What is it? White sugar. What do you call in Kerala? What do you call it in Malayalam?
Panchasara.
Chini.
Panchasara.
I can't.
Panjara.
Okay, sorry, what was that, Alicia?
Panchasara, sir. Panchasara.
Panchasara. Panchasara. Panchasara is white in color?
Yes. It's white in color.
That white color panchasara, avoid it. Is that okay? Done. If you have it at home, take that and put it in the dustbin or the gutter. Okay, your mom will scold you, but still okay. Yeah, because I tell you, 1 spoon of white sugar when you eat, 4 hours, your immune system is sedated. It goes into sleep. It's like going to the India-Pakistan border and giving sleep tablets to all our soldiers. Are you all with me? Hello? Right? That much. For 4 hours, my dear friends, half 1 spoon of sugar can put you into 4 hours of immune-less system. And you know what? Scientifically, why I'm telling slowly reduce, I'm not telling. I'm asking you to throw it out. You know why? Scientifically, when you eat sugar, it reduces the chromium level in the system. In the body, chromium level decreases. When it decreases, it will again ask for more sugar. Like for example, you drink water, after you urinate, you feel like you're drinking more water. Happens or not? Yeah, when you go out, you sweat out and then you feel like drinking water. Similarly, when you eat 1 spoon of sugar, then or any sweet, chromium level decreases, and after some time, it asks for more sugar. Then again, sugar comes, chromium level decreases. Then again, so that is why most of us don't have a control on how much sweets and chocolates we have. You see my point? 1 sweet or 1 chocolate you eat, you feel like eating one more. Happens or not? Hello? And that's because of the chromium sugar chemical reaction that is happening in the system. I mean, sugar and chromium equation that is in the system. Got it? Yeah. That's one thing that you have to avoid. Second thing is junk food. All the junk food you will avoid. Is that okay? Junk food. Everything that is not cooked in your kitchen is junk. Remember this. Hello? Are you with me? Everything which is cooked in your which is not cooked in your kitchen is junk. Anything that is packed, anything that has transferred, everything has something or the other, because you don't know how they prepared it. You don't know what all is infused. Are you with me? Yeah, junk food. I'm telling only for next 6 months till you get to live with corona for the next 1 year. Is that okay? Yeah. So no white sugar, no panchasara, white color, no junk food, and no maida, white refined flours. Maida. What do you call in Malayalam? Maida is maida. The paratha and all
Yes,
they make.
sir. Maida is maida.
Eda, Rajesh, what is it? Same. Maida is maida. Good. So that parota and all they make, no? I don't know if it is there in Kerala, parota. That is all made in maida. All that you avoid. Is that okay? Even if you cannot live with it, live without it, that is okay. You need to live in the planet Earth. Please avoid these 3 things. Got it? So number 1 is follow what your government is saying. Number 2, be aware of where your hands are. Got it? Where you touch, all that, right? Now some of us by default have this habit of putting your hand like this, touching your head like this, keeping hands like this, putting your finger like this. All that is habits, right? Without your knowledge, you might get such infections, right? And the third is 3 things you have to avoid eating: white sugar, panchasara. And if you avoid panchasara, any of your parents have avoided panchasara in your house? Any of your parents? Anybody? Nobody. Nobody. Everybody uses sugar. How do I know, Saravana? I don't even go to the kitchen. That is a state for all of you, or you all go to kitchen. Tony, do they use sugar in your house? White sugar. Yeah. So tell them. See, the problem is we don't know this all because we believe what is seen in the advertisement. Right? You know Coca-Cola brand? Coca-Cola?
Yes.
In Tamil Nadu, for Coca-Cola, we used to have Vijay. You know actor Vijay? Billy, Billa, some other movies. All these movies, yeah. That actor was there in our Coca-Cola ads. But I personally know his family. His son and daughter never has been tasting Coca-Cola in their life. Do you know this? Hello?
No, sir.
No. Sachin Tendulkar, pata everybody?
Yes, sir.
For an advertisement. Or what was the advertisement? What is it? Boost is the secret of my energy. Before Virat Kohli, he used to. You remember that? Yeah. I personally know their children for many years now. They have never tasted Boost in their life. Do you see my point? Do you see where I'm coming from? Hello? Hello? Are you all here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See that? Yeah? Yeah? And never, when I spoke to Sachin Tendulkar, I asked him, hello, does really Boost gives you energy? No, Boost advertisement gives me energy because it gives me money. That's what he said. Give me, right? So don't go by advertisements. Got it? Maybe your parents are not aware of it. They don't know what is sugar, what is chromium, what is immune system. Right? Lot of times we do things which are, I'll tell you this. Remind me, one of you remind me about parents in the end. Is that okay? Can you remind me? I'll tell you something about the parents. Yeah. Coming back. So these three things you avoid. And one more thing, we are in Kerala. Kerala may very famous. What is coconut? Coconut oil you apply in the hand. Put in the hand. It can prevent the transmission of this virus at a very high level. You put coconut oil, the viscosity of the oil can prevent it transmit. It's not proven anywhere, but I know personally it gives results because the doctors who are doing it, they don't have data, so I cannot prove it, but it helps. Anyway, you all have a lot of coconut oil. You put it in the head, no? You put it somewhere in the hand also sometime for next 6 months. That's it. Is that okay? Done. Deal. Perfect. Can you all do this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can we do? It's very, very simple things. Take your sugar out, throw it out. Instead of sugar, you use honey, use jaggery, coconut sugar. You know, coconut sugar, palm sugar, vellam. What do you call vellam? Is water in Malayalam. I know vellam. You know, jaggery, good. Hindi mein good bolte na. Call that. You vellam. What do you call in Malayalam? All this karpatti, all that.
Sharkara.
Sharkara. Use that. Is that okay? Brown sugar, all that. Is that okay? That is healthy. No? Simple. Please do this if you don't want corona in your house. That's it. Simple. If you want to fight corona, this is what is the solution. And follow whatever your government says. Okay, coming back. Acha, body may, even if you're not doing exercises, it is still okay. Sir, castor sugar? No. What is castor sugar?
Refined sugar.
No, anything refined? No. White, anything refined is white in color? No. Is that okay? Yeah, anything white in color. I mean, I'm not saying people, anything white to eat. No. Got it? Then people will call me. Those people, no. That castor sugar that you put in cakes, no. Not a good thing. Put shakara there also. Maybe it will look darker. But still okay. Tastes better, healthier. Got it? Yeah. Okay. Let's move on. See, I tell you, I recommend you to do some physical activities also, right? So let's move on. So, okay, let's look at the 7 levels and then we go to 2 levels alone today and then we'll look at it at a different forum. See, we all believe that we just exist at the body level. Agreed? Yes? Yeah. How do you know you're not at your college, but at your home in front of the laptop and listening to me? Because you're 6 feet, 5 feet, 4 feet, 25, 35, 40, 55 kg person is not here. See, it's not in the college, but here. Agreed? Yes, my physical body is not in the college, but in the house. That's how people can identify you. But other than that, there is something called breath also. Right? Imagine the body is there, but there is no breath. Are you all with me? Yeah. Along with the breath, what is more important? The mind. Yeah. You keep hearing, you know, from your school days, physically present, mentally absent. Happens? Yes. Physically present, mentally absent. Like some of you are still here listening to me, but your mind is going somewhere and saying, "Arey, I'm hungry. When will this guy go? I should have had my breakfast properly." Yeah. All that is happening. Yeah. Then comes intellect, buddhi. What do you call in Malayalam? Buddhi only. Buddhi. Okay. Aravind, you will be my translator. Huh? You know Tamil also a little bit, no? Buddhi. And then memory. What do you call memory? Nyabha Shakti. What do you call memory? Brain. No.
Sir, Orma.
So, sorry, come again.
Orma Shakti. Orma Shakti.
Orma Shakti. Huh? That's what you call. Huh? Okay.
Yeah.
It comes ego, ahankar, and then the self. Yeah. Now, imagine why the 7 levels is important is, say for example, you're going for an interview. You all will go for an interview some or the other time. Agreed? Yes.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes. When you're going for an interview, your body is nicely cleaned, washed, nicely prepared. It is put lot of makeup is done, lot of good dress is done, all that is done. Your breath is good, On the way to the interview, somebody scolded you. Somebody on the way scolded you. What will happen to your mind? It will be so nice, or it will get disturbed. It'll
Get disturbed.
Yes or no? Get disturbed. Now, when it gets disturbed, how much ever you're prepared, will you be able to present well in the interview?
No, sir.
Now, do you see mind is important? You know. Now, same thing with memory. Many a times, this is the villain for you in the college, right? You study well 1 month, sorry, 1 day before the exam. Yeah, one night, on the night you study so much. Yeah, and then you go into the exam hall. You look at the exam paper. Wow, thank God, whatever I studied came. And then you start writing and get stuck there. Happens after writing through 3 paragraphs, you get stuck and start remembering. Cannot come, but you know which page of the book, right? Which page of the book. Yeah, or anyway, you don't buy book, it's Xerox now. Yeah, you all take Xerox of the first benchers, right? Yeah, which page of the book, below that graph, above that diagram, but that paragraph alone will not come. Happens in the exam hall. Yeah, and then that's the problem. That's with, see, how much ever you spend the whole night, how much ever you studied, but if that exam time you're not able to remember, will you be able to score good in the exam? Not at all, right? Not just in your career and this thing, my dear friends, in your own life. In your own life, when you're cooking, simple things like when you're cooking or when you're doing something at your home, yeah, you forgot things, your memory is not working, or your mind is not cooperating, or your body is not cooperating. Will you be able to achieve that? Not at all. That's the important thing, right? Now let's look at the breath part. I think we have like half an hour more. We'll look at the breath alone today, and then we will look. So body I didn't complete. Now body may you do some physical activity or the other. If you want your body should be very healthy, what you should do, physical activities like Arvind, few of them said they're going out, going jogging, running, playing and all of that, but many of them don't do. That's what they said. That's what I understand. So what you do is do some physical activities. I'll skip for later time. You do some physical activities. Yeah, yoga, some jogging, some gymming like this. For God's sake, don't try all this. Okay? No, I'm asking simple things like 10 minutes. Yeah, can you move your body a little bit? Are you all with me? Hello? Yes. Yeah. Can you move your body a little bit? Let's do like 3 minutes of something. Okay. 4 minutes of something. Okay. Now let's all sit. Shake your shoulders now. Shake your shoulders. Everybody sit straight. Shake your shoulders. Everybody. It's not like chumma doing like this. No, it should touch your ears. Let's see who can touch your ears. This should touch your ears. Raise your shoulders and Ben, come on, don't go away. Everybody switching off the camera when it comes to her. You're all lazier than me, man. I thought I am the laziest guy. You're all lazier than me. Come on. Touch your ears, everybody. It's not just only for Ben, everybody. Tony, you don't need to dance now. Just touch your ears with the shoulders and relax. Now drop it, relax. Now touch it. It's like, see, I'm not rising like this. Okay. My hands are like this. I am just raising my hands to touch my ears. That's it. Can you do that? Sweta, stay there. Just touch and stay there. Just touch and keep staying there. Yeah, keep breathing and drop. Drop it fully. Now we'll do with the breath. Is that okay? With the breath. Breathe in, keep touching, everybody. Sit straight, don't lean, sit straight. Keep touching, keep breathing, keep breathing. Hold the breath. Nicely, you have to stretch, you have to go up all the way. Tony, go a little more up. Ben, those child, you do something now. Put your hands down on your lap, not on this table, and down. Yeah. Now what you do, you see some tension here. How many of you felt little tension here? Some tensions here. Yes. Yeah. Very good. Now what you do, you put your head down, chin touching the chest fully, and raise it up and go all the way back. Go all the way back. Do it 5 times, everybody. Acha, there are 2 ways to look at it. Hello, everybody, come on. There are 2 ways. One, watching me. What is this boy doing? What is this sir doing? Watching. You will become good in watching only. Got it? What I recommend you to do it so that some change will happen in the system. Is that okay? Hello? Are you all with me? Hello? Hello? Because next 15 minutes, what you're going to do after this is very, very important. It will help you achieve that goal better. Is that okay? Hello? Yeah. So that whatever next 15 minutes we're going to do for you to get the best benefit. Was the session useful so far? Arvind, take your hand from the mouth. This is what we were talking about. Yeah. Now, the whole idea is we will do something now for 2-3 minutes physically, and then we'll go into a very nice activity. Is that okay? Are you all with me? Hello? Yeah. So that you can see the difference in your mind. Yeah, we'll not talk about the mind, but you can see the difference in the mind. Okay, go. Now what do you do? Shake your hands. Just shake your hands. Just shake. Fast, fast, fast. All your fingers should fall. That fast. Varghese ji. Take your hands and shake it up in the front. Akila, very good. Ammu, how are you doing? Idol, where is our galaxy boy? He went to change the camera. Alfin, come on, switch on the camera, Alfin. Done. Now what you do? Keep the body straight. Your body is straight. Yeah, thank you, Alfin. Keep the body straight. Look at the right as much as possible. Look at your right. Go a little more back. Look straight. Look at the left. 5 times. Continue. Arey Ben, slowly man, slow. You cannot do da 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 da. It will fall off. Okay, slowly. 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 Continue. Sit straight. Don't look at the camera. Sit straight. Sit straight. I will watch all of you. I have another laptop where I am watching all of you. Don't worry. Sit straight. Ashish, back straight. Spine erect. You're leaning forward. Alfin, do now. Now, good. Look straight now. Now down, center, up. You have to go all the way up. Center, down, up. Do 5 times. Center, down, center, up. Center, down, center, up. Center, down, center, up. Center, down, center, up. Good. Now comes the head mark. There is last one, right? Ears should touch the shoulders. This time ears are not rising. Yeah, like Anna was doing. Yeah, you move your ears to the shoulders. See if you can touch the bend. Hello, bend. No, touch it. No, you're just chumma like going into. Don't raise your shoulders. Some of you are cheating. Some of you are doing like this. Come on, shoulders down fully. Touch. Arvind. Touch little more, Arvind. Yeah, straight. Now this side. Back should be straight. Ashish, do. Yeah. Okay. Now, shake your shoulders. Shake your shoulders. Now, now what you do, it's very funny, but it is very useful. Okay. Now take these 2 fingers. Tuck, 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 these 2 fingers. Straighten your eyebrows nicely, quickly. Straighten your eyebrows. Leave your phone. Don't hold it in the hand. Let it be there. Leave the phone. Keep it somewhere. That's okay. Very good. Straighten, nicely press. Straighten it. Now, your hands are clean. If your hands are clean, then you up. Straighten your nose. Take these 2 fingers, put it on the nose, straighten it. Nicely, you have to press it nicely. Ashit. Very good. Now it's like this, from top to bottom fully. Top to bottom fully. Yeah. On your nose. Yeah. Now on your chin. Like this. Okay. Done. Now your chin, chin. Pull your chin like this. Yeah. Like as if you have a big dadi, big beard. Yeah. Pull it nicely. Yeah. Good. Now pull your own cheeks. Corona time, nobody will pull your cheeks. So you can only pull your cheeks. Yeah. Okay. Now these two fingers, keep it at the bottom of your ear, bottom of the ear. Pull it nicely. Pull it nicely. Those who are wearing earrings, keep it in a way that it is not hurting you. Pull it nicely. Now up, pull it up nicely. You have to pull. Some of you are just touching and like acting. No, you have to pull it nicely. Come on. Now hold your ears like how you hold an elephant's ear, and cycle. When you do mistake, somebody does this. Now you do it for yourself nicely. Cycle. This you can do fast. Ben is not even doing. Seeing and yeah, nice, good. Now last one. If you're wearing lens, avoid the eye part alone, but otherwise you can do. Okay. We are going to do three things: eyes, mouth, and the hand. Is that okay? Eyes, mouth, and the hand. What we'll do, everything will open it wide and close it. Is it okay? Hands goes like this and close it tight. Mouth opens up fully, as if one big, what do you call it? Papaya can go inside your mouth like that, so big. A jackfruit, one big jackfruit should go into your mouth like that. Okay. Now, eyes also wide open and tight. It's all three together. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, go back. Don't scare the people. You can keep the camera a little far. Now straighten your hands. Straighten your hands fully. Stretch your hands. Open your mouth fully. Open your eyes. Everybody, don't switch off the camera now. Come on, everybody do. Tight. Open it up. Stretch your hands. Stretch your mouth. Stretch your eyes. And then close it tight. 5 times you will do. Open your hands. Open your mouth, open your eyes, and close it tight like that. You'll do it 5 times. Everybody, Tony, Idol, Akshay, Surya Narayanan, Amalu, Bharat. Do it 5 times. Ashit Vargish. And relax. Now come back. Now switch on your cameras also if you want. Now, my question to all of you here is, okay, let's do one more thing. Take this thumb, put it below your ears. You keep it in your ears like this, keep it on your ears, go along the ears and put it here. You see my point? Hello? Is it clear? Yeah? Hello? This is very interesting. Same thing. This ear also you put it here, and rest of the fingers holding your head like this. Is that okay? Hello? Everybody? Yeah. Let's do this. Fingers onto your ears goes like this, and rest of the fingers on the head. Look straight, back straight. Push your hands back. Now don't move the head. Look at your right side and left side. Just the eyes alone moves. Eyes, not the head. Anthony, you're doing it amazing, but don't move the head. Just the eyes alone. Yeah. Your position is right, but just the eyes. Most of your positions are right. Alfin, Tony, Ashit, Akila. Yeah, very good. Your positions are right. It is just that you need to move just see 3 things. Look at it. 3 things. You have to have a stretch here. The hand is just in front, behind the ears. The rest of the fingers onto the head like this. Is that okay? Got it? Yeah. And then stretch it like this. Hand straight. Yeah. And then look onto your right and left. 10 times. As right as possible, as left as possible. It might pain a little bit, but do it. Keep the stretch in your hands. Keep breathing. See, your breath is already becoming bigger. Keep breathing, full breaths. Left and right. And relax. Relax your hands. Shake your shoulders. Shake your shoulders. Now, how many of you see a difference now and 5 minutes earlier? Do you see some difference in your head, this part of the body? Yes or no? You can give a thumbs up if you're done. Ashit does it. Yes. Hello, others. Are you all here? Did you see? Yes. Perfect. Good. Now, that is what happens when you attend to your body. I'm sure some of you, if you've done it properly, you can see this part of the body is much more fresh and relaxed. This part of the body. Yes or no? Much more fresh and relaxed than what it was. Good, sir. Thank you. Yeah. Now that's what it is basically, right? The whole idea is attending to the body, not doing exercise that I showed you in the picture. Upside down, put your hand like that. Never attempt. These simple things you can do. No? Are you with me? Hello? Yeah. These things create a big impact. Now what we'll do, we will do some breathing techniques along with some music. Is that okay? And then we will wind this up. Done? Hello? Everybody? I'll play a background music, which will be like different instruments, different birds and all will come. You'll have to just attend to those birds. You can keep closely watch and find out which are all the birds coming. Is that okay? Hello? Hello? Is that okay? That is what you'll do. And I will tell you what breath to take. That breath you take. Is that okay? Hello? Yes. I will teach you 2 breaths. Is it very hot in Kerala or is it becoming colder now? How is it? Is it hot? No. Okay. Okay, not okay. Hot. Tony, is it very hot in Kerala or is it cold? Is it rainy? Medium. Okay. Then I'll teach you only one pranayama, which you can use it. If it is summer, I would have taught you the other one. You can do this. Take up. Have you all seen a straw? Straw that you use for coconut water, that for juice and all, juice shop mein dete na? The straw. Now, thank you, Ashit. If you put your straw in the mouth, how will it be? Like that. Yes. Yeah. Now, breathe in through the nose. This you can teach it to your parents who have BP. Is that okay? Anybody has a blood pressure or something, this can help them. Is that okay? Am I clear? So watch it clearly, do it, and then you can teach your parents. Okay. Now what you do, you're breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth, but there is an imaginary straw in the mouth. Is that okay? Hello, everybody? Yes. So let's learn it properly. Whenever you sit for these kind of activity, breathing techniques, you have to sit straight, back is straight, shoulders are not lifted. Relax your shoulders fully. Hands on your palms. So hands onto the knees, palms facing the ceiling. Is that okay? Or keep it in a comfortable position. Back should be straight. Look straight. Yeah. Now let's breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through the nose only. First breath, we breathe out through the nose itself. Now again, breathe in through the nose. Now breathe out through the mouth. Imagine there is a straw in the mouth. It might take longer, that is okay. Is that clear now? I'm doing it again. Your eyes are closed. You have to do it with your eyes closed, but now you see a couple of times, then we'll do it together for 3 minutes with our eyes closed. Is that okay? Then I'll play the music. Okay. Now breathing in through the nose. It's very, very powerful. Huh? Just sit in a place and do it. Very, very powerful. Hands should be down. Arvind, hands onto the laps, palms facing the ceiling. Muddy mel. Yeah. So eyes, you can keep your eyes open and watch it one more time. Breathing in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth with the imaginary straw. Every time you breathe out, your shoulders will relax. Is that okay? Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth, the straw in the mouth. Is that okay? Clear with everybody, my dear friends? Yes. Very, very powerful. I usually tell this for corporate people, but I'm telling you, I thought you're all very good. Is that okay? Let's do it properly. That we can, 3 minutes we will do. I'll play a music at the background also, but you close your eyes and do. Is that okay? And see the difference. In 3 minutes, you will see amazing difference. Is it okay? Can we experience that? Yes. Yeah, eyes closed. Take a long deep breath in. Breathe out fully. Eyes closed. Archana, eyes closed. Sana. Eyes closed. Hello, everybody open your eyes now. Come on. Hello, everybody open your eyes. Look at everything around. Look at everything around you. Your laptop, your mobile phone, your rings, your earrings, your necklace, your bracelet, your watch, everything. Everything will be in the same place after 3 minutes when you open the eyes also. Is that okay? Now close your eyes. Some of your, no, close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Eyes closed. Smile on the face. Back straight. Eyes closed. Yeah. Take a long deep breath in, breathe out. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the nose now. Again, one more time, breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the nose. Take another long deep breath in. Breathe out through the nose again. Now breathe out, breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Imaginary straw in the mouth. Eyes closed. Everybody is doing it perfect. No doubts. I'll play the music. Listen to it for 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes. See the difference. Do very slow. You don't need to put so much of attention. It's like enjoying the breath. Okay. Like that you do for 10 times you do. For 2-3 minutes you do. And then after that you keep your eyes closed and just listen to the music. Is that okay? Hello everybody, give me a thumbs up. Everybody got it? First 3 minutes you will do the straw pranayama. This is called the straw pranayama for 3 minutes. Uske baad the music will continue. I will tell switch to normal breath. Then you just keep your breath. Just listen to the music. Is that okay? You can stop the straw pranayama when I say stop straw pranayama. Is that okay? Done with everybody? Yes. Let us start with straw pranayama. Eyes closed. Take a long deep breath in. Breathe out. Take another long deep breath in. Now breathe out through the mouth with a straw in the mouth. Eyes closed, Anna. Eyes closed. That's when you will get the best benefit so that you can teach your family members better. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Tony, don't go away. Stay back. Eyes closed. Very good. Yeah. You're doing it. Good. Continue. Sorry. Continue. Tony is doing. Continue. The straw pranayama. Listening to the music. Back is straight. Chin straight. Hold shoulders relaxed. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the imaginary straw in the mouth. Continue. I tell you to stop. Continue. Keep your eyes closed. And listen to the music. Continue, keeping your eyes closed. Continue. See, you don't need to be in a hurry. Huh? Take time to breathe in very, very slowly. Like, you know, how you take care of your the small kids and all, no? Like that, very gently you breathe in. Very, very slowly you breathe out. Continue for 3 more rounds and then just observe the breath. After continuing for 3 more rounds, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed. Continue, ma. Very good. Everybody is doing it amazing. Very good. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through an imaginary straw in the mouth. Slowly. Very, very slowly. Continue for 1 more round and listen to the music. Relaxed and eyes closed, and continue just listening to the music and observe your normal breath. Now you can stop the straw pranayama. Now we'll breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the nose with our eyes closed, but continue to listen to all the music in it. Just continue to listen to all the music. Continue to listen to gently become aware of your body and the surroundings. Slowly take another long deep breath in and breathe out fully. Take another long deep breath in and breathe out fully. Slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. Slowly, you may open your eyes. Good. How was it? Good. Okay. How was it? How was it? Good. Okay. Bad. Was it good? Do you see so much of difference? Just 3 minutes we did this much you could get. Are you with me? Hello? Yeah. That is what I do in my life now. I still work 8 hours a day for my company, and rest of 4-5 hours in a day, I go to these colleges like yours, companies, professors, principals, directors, yeah, scientists, ISRO, some different people, army people, doctors. I go to make them mind much more. Do you see your mind is much more relaxed, calmer? Yes. Do you see a lot of difference? Yes. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Now that is what I do. Now imagine, would your parents be in that state? Will it be better? Hello. They are much more worried than you. Yes or no? They have all the worries that you have, and they are worrying about you more. Yes or no? Hello. Practically. Yeah. So what we do is, I do conduct a free session for your parents, for all the parents, in the evenings after 8:30 to 9:30. Is it okay? It will be in English and Tamil. Yeah. But if you want in Malayalam also, we can look at it. Is that okay? English and Tamil I do. Maybe can you help your parents join such a Zoom call? Because they might not know the technology. You know, they don't know how to join Zoom and all of that. Yes, some of them may know, some of them may not know. Can you help them log in to a Zoom like this account in the evening tomorrow, 8:30 to 9:30? Is it okay? Done. I will come and give them not much of talking. It's more about discussing and giving them some tips and all of that. A demo session will give. The full wellness seminar I said, we will do a one hour free session for them. If they wanted to, then let them come for a 5-day program. Can we do that? Yes. What do you say? Is that okay? Do you think your parents will be it will be of use to all of your parents? Yes. Hello? Yes. Because you go and put your white sugar, they may not understand. But when we tell them scientifically, they will understand better. Yes or no? Got it? A lot of things can be better. So can you all, did you all enjoy the session? How was it? Overall, the last 1.5 hours, we've been spending almost like 2 hours. Did you all enjoy the session?
Yes, sir. We really did enjoy it. It was
Really?
very informative.
Very informative, very useful. Good. Others who were not in the camera, Alka said yes. Archana, did you enjoy? Archana, Sebastian? Good. Okay. Surya Nara? Okay. So now the whole idea is this, right? So my personal suggestion is, please take this to your parents. Is that okay? Yeah. If you tell them, they may not understand, but I will come on Zoom and tell them. Is that okay? Done. I'm doing a session for PSG Tech students' parents. My college students 1 year, their parents are coming on, I think tomorrow. I'll send it to ma'am, and ma'am will send it to you. Is that okay? You are all connected with your ma'am on the WhatsApp, right? So she will send it to you. You can help this with your parents. Okay. Alina, good. Enjoyed. Arvind, Anthony, where is your galaxy boy? This boy goes off somewhere. Okay, he will be here. Ben, finally, you, okay, good. So thanks a lot. I would like to thank Jayanti ma'am and lot of other professors also. Maybe Priya ma'am and yeah, and, sorry ma'am, Priya ma'am and Jayanti
So
ma'am.
Preeti ma'am.
Preeti ma'am, sorry. Preeti ma'am, Jayanti ma'am. And thanks a lot for organizing this, because they could have just said no, they should have just organized another technical talk or something. They said that our students needs to get something, especially Jayanti ma'am and Preeti ma'am, saying that you're all finding things better, but need to go a little more extra, because everybody has this potential, but something your energy and time is fixed. You're putting that on Corona and China war and something else. But rather, if you can put that energy and time inside you, you can all become great, because your professors feel that everybody can achieve great things in your life, each one of you.
Just immediately.
Yeah. So what we could do, we all will see how we can. I have so many things prepared, but I could not share. Maybe we'll do another session on managing your energy and time. Is that okay? Some other time we'll just
Yes, sir.
your energy.
Yes, sir.
and
Yeah.
time alone. Yeah, like that.
So
Okay.
we would also like to take this opportunity to thank you for this amazing session. We are definitely grateful for the effort and the time you've provided. For giving us a session, it definitely lightened up the mood. And we'll definitely remember the exercises and the 5 tips that you gave us. We'll always remember, especially in this time of adversity, I think we definitely needed a session like this. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you, Alicia. Thank you. Anybody else?
Thank you, sir. It was so useful for us, and sir gave so much to it. So thank you for your effort, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Akshay. Raju, thank you. Good. Welcome. So I would like to thank Jayanti ma'am, Preeti ma'am, your management for giving this opportunity to interact with you. Number one. Number two, I would like to thank my team from where the wellness team, the stop videos and all of that, which was helping to share scientifically. And thank you, everybody. And the last person whom I want to thank is, without this person, this program would have not happened at all. You know whom? Okay, that person is in your house mirror. You go look into the mirror, that person will be seen.
Without you.
Without you, see, imagine I told you to switch on the camera, you all switched on the camera. So nice, right? That is the best. Some of you, and 90% of them were practicing, actually participating. Maybe 1-2%. They had other priorities, but that's because of you only. You are able to achieve, enjoy the program. Got it? Yes. So all the very best. We took 1 more minute extra. Thanks a lot, and God bless all of you. Okay. Enjoy your lockdown to understand yourself better. Is that okay? Yeah. So that when you come out of the lockdown, you become a better person. You become a much more a better person with less anger, more motivation, more inspiration, more knowledge. Yeah. Good idea. Yes. Yeah. But all the very best. God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sarana Prabhu. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Preeti ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm muted.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I will share the parents ka thing and my number with Jayanti ma'am. You can use that. Is that okay? Done. And I will also send the stretches that we did now. All the stretches. There is a video. Dr. Ankita. She's an osteopath, my friend. She has created a set of stretches to help you improve the. That also I will send it to ma'am. You can take it from her. Is it okay? Done. See you all. Have a great afternoon. Your lunch is waiting.